In this video, I will show you how you can fix if FaceTime is not working on your iPad Air. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Lockdown Mode. Over here, just make sure that Lockdown Mode is disabled on your iPad. Now after you've made sure that this setting is disabled, then in the main settings page, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. Then tap on it, and from here just look for the FaceTime option and turn it off. After that, just wait for a couple of seconds, then re-enable FaceTime on your iPad. Just wait for a couple of seconds for FaceTime to be enabled. After that, just scroll down, and under You Can Be Reached by FaceTime apps, just make sure you select your Apple ID or your phone number in this section. After you've done that, now just go back to the main settings page and tap on General, and under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you update the software of your iPad, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the General settings, but this time just tap on iPad storage. And from here, just check if you have enough storage on your iPad or not. If the storage on your iPad is low, just delete some data from your iPad which you no longer need. Like for example, you can delete some apps or games which you're not using. Or for example, you can offload any app, and by offloading an app, you'll delete the app from your iPad, but the data of that specific app will be saved on your iPad. And by doing that, you'll free up some storage. And also, you can upload all your photos and videos to your iCloud, and you can delete them from your iPad. Now, after you free up some storage, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then for the next method, you will require the password of the parental controls. After you get the password of the parental controls of your iPad, then in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now if this toggle is disabled on your iPad, you can skip this step, but if this toggle is enabled, just disable this toggle to turn off the parental control settings from your iPad. After that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad, then press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the forced restart process is completed, then just check if FaceTime is working on your iPad or not. Now let's say if FaceTime is still not working, then the last thing you can do is just go to your home screen and open Settings, and just tap on General, but this time under the General settings, just go to the bottom of the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And also, if you go to your home screen and if you open FaceTime, then it shows you an error which basically asks you to enter the password of your Apple ID. Just enter the password of your Apple ID, and by doing that, you will activate FaceTime on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.